Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to use e-ticket on Trainline. So let's get into the video. So let me first make a booking. So I'm just going to make a booking here. So let's say when you're making a booking here, so I'm going to just choose a ticket here so that I can proceed. So for example, this one, okay, that's fine. So let me use this. So I'm just going to select the ticket and hit on continue. And then when I get to these travel options here, so if we're going to make any changes, I'll just leave it as it is. I'll hit on continue. And then here, when I get to these delivery options here, that's the next page. So when you get to this delivery option page here, use the e-ticket option here. So that's the recommended option here, the e-tickets. So e-tickets are pretty easy. So what happens is that once you have completed the checkout, your ticket will be sent to your phone. So if you have the Trainline app, you can also access it through the app, or you'll be sent to your email or to your phone, so like that. So and then you can forward, if the ticket is not for you, you can simply forward the ticket to anyone, any of your friends, if you're just organizing the tickets for them. So you can do that. And apart from that, what you can do, if these tickets, you don't really have to print them. Like if you want to print them, you can print them off your phone, but you don't really have to. So you once you open up your ticket here, so your ticket will have a barcode, so you can simply scan these barcodes on the gates at the stations. So we have these barcode gates here, so you simply have to take your phone, open up your ticket, and then scan the barcode, and that will get you access to the station. So you don't really need anything else apart from that. Or even if there is no barcodes, then you can simply show this ticket to the person, and then they will let you in. So that's a pretty easy and a handy way of using this rather than the old ticket method. So e-tickets are pretty handy. So that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.